WPX Hosting Affiliate Program Review Usage Experience. Welcome to this WPX Hosting Affiliate Program Review. If you're interested in joining, check the links in the description below. Let's dive straight in. WPX Hosting is one of the fastest managed WordPress hosting providers, known for its high-performance servers, lightning-fast load times, and top-tier customer support. It's designed for bloggers, digital marketers, agencies, and businesses that prioritize speed and reliability. Their affiliate program is one of the most rewarding in the hosting industry, offering commissions starting at $70 per sale and going up to $100+ per sale based on volume. Unlike many hosting programs that pay lower amounts, WPX ensures high payouts with no cap on earnings. One major advantage is the fast payout structure. Commissions are typically processed within 30 days, whereas many competitors take 60+ days. WPX also provides a high-converting affiliate dashboard, real-time tracking, and custom promotional materials, including banners, deep links, and email templates. The cookie duration is 60 days, meaning you still earn commissions if a visitor returns and purchases within that time. WPX is easy to promote because it offers outstanding hosting performance, including free site speed optimization, daily backups, free malware removal, and a custom-built CDN. Their customer support is one of the best in the industry, with a 30-second response time via live chat, which is a huge selling point for potential customers. Additionally, WPX is known for its commitment to charity, funding pet rescue organizations, which adds a strong ethical appeal to their brand. Unlike many other hosting companies, WPX doesn't engage in aggressive upsells or misleading pricing, making it easier to build trust with your audience. Overall, the WPX Hosting Affiliate Program is perfect for bloggers, marketers, and tech reviewers looking for high commissions, fast payouts, and a reputable brand that delivers on its promises. If you want to start earning with WPX Hosting, check out the affiliate link in the description. Thanks for watching.